Here's a little video of 55 Chevy. Ah, there's my shadow walking across. 55 Chevy. Bought in 1992 and finally completed, I guess about maybe about 6 years ago, something like that. Painted the same stock color. Has a 6-cylinder in it. You can maybe kind of hear the seems to be spitting a little moisture, but seems to be running okay. And as we come around the passenger side, has chrome wheels on it with the kind of small hubcaps, and I actually have it running, so we'll take a look at the engine. And there you go. This is I guess the 6-cylinder. I added an Offenhauser dual intake manifold, and there's the Fenton split manifold for for a dual exhaust, and it actually sounds pretty good when you rev it up a little bit. I think I might have it idling just a little bit low, but as you can see, fairly clean engine compartment. I did not rework the engine. The engine has right at original 50,000 miles on it, and I am the third owner of this car. And of course, it does have. Actually, I took the vacuum windshield wiper motor out and put in an electric. It works a lot better. Okay. Yeah. Just a little bit of what the interior looks like. Fairly nice. This is actually a 210, and I redid the dashboard to make it look a little bit more like a Bel Air. The material is not the same material as the original, but it does have the same pattern. And there you have it, the 55 Chevy.